What's up, you guys? My name is Jency V. Today we are going to do some winter look or winter makeup look, and I am always excited because it's December. I think this year has gone by so fast. Like, I feel like I just blinked and I'm like, Christmas is here. All right, let me get my New Year's resolution ready. Ever since I've been living in Vegas for quite some time now, I have appreciated winter. I used to love the heat. California weather was amazing. No, when I moved here, people are like, oh, just wait till summer. It's hot. I was like, no, I love the heat. They're like, no, it's hot. So when summer actually came, okay guys, I feel it. Anyway, for this winter look, I'm excited. This is actually gonna be very easy winter look because it's gonna be bang. Oh, I already did my first routine. The primer, the foundation, the concealer, all of that, you know, shebang. Anyway, I recommend you guys always still be using your sunscreen even though it's winter because there's still sun out there, okay? So if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below to actually see the rest of my videos. If you like my video, not yet, well, smash that like button down below if you see a value or you want to see more of my videos coming up, and press that notification down below to get notified for my next upcoming videos. Okay, without further ado, let's get into the video. We're gonna start with pink. What I'm gonna do is just kind of cover my whole eyelid. Now what you want to do is make the end darker. So you want to put a little bit more of that pink and make it pop. Ooh, like that. You want to grab your concealer. You want to have a liquid concealer. So I'm going to use my Super Stay Maybelline concealer. I have hooded eyes, so I'm going to go above my crease line and I'm going to draw a wing line going this way. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. It is just a base. I don't know if you can see that. Now we're gonna take a thin brush. I would say this small right here. I'm gonna take my white eyeshadow, or if you have any shimmery eyeshadow at all, use that. If you're wondering why I should have just, you know, use a white eyeliner, you can. I'm gonna take a dark pink and I'm basically outlining the bottom line of the white line. I'm gonna take some of that little pink, take that darker pink, and I'm gonna go over and line my lower lash line. Take some white and then I'm gonna put that right on my inner corners. If you want to be extra, you can always get some little gemstones and put those right on the white line, and I think that would look really good. Now I'm gonna go back to my white with a different brush, and then I'm just gonna highlight below my my brows. Just highlighting that. Now I'm ready to put my eyeliner. You can make a wing liner if you want, but for this look, I'm not gonna make a wing line. Now I'm ready for my lashes. Look how nice the effect, guys. Without the lashes, and when you put on your lashes, the white liner effect. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna do a little extra, so I'm gonna draw like little lashes. Just 3 of them. Just do a little flicks. If you can tell the difference, look how nice, you guys. With my lashes on and seeing that white line up there. I'm feeling the winter vibe. It's so nice. Now let's start doing our contouring. I'm gonna contour my nose. I have a flat nose, so it is a must contour. I'm gonna make a circle to make it look like I have a pointy nose. My brush. Look how nice this is, you guys. Do you like this brush? During winter, I like that blush look, so I'm not gonna put too much. It's just make it look like you're out in the cold a lot, and you wanna look like your nose is runny, like right now. So you wanna put that on your nose, your cheeks, even on your forehead, even it out, and your chin area, so you're glowy all around. I'm gonna use my gold highlight. It's kind of like a bronze gold. I'm just gonna put like a dot right here and a line on my bridge nose, a little bit on my cheeks. Gonna spread that around. So I'm gonna use my brown lip liner and I'm gonna start outlining. And I'm gonna use my Bare Minerals. I just want to look sweet and cold in the winter, so it's all like just champagne-y, wintry, snowy look. I don't want to have too much, so I want to use some kind of just a natural colors. Put some gloss. So that was really simple, you guys. That was actually really fast. So I hope you guys actually like that. Let me zoom out. Okay, let's start over. Okay, so I hope you guys liked that video. It was super simple. So if you guys actually like this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification down below to get notified for my next upcoming videos. Without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next one.